See below for some amazing tips to help you with arthritis. When it comes to arthritis, it seems that nobody is safe. Men and women of all ages and fitness levels are potential targets of this painful and degenerative disease. These tips and tricks offer some basic insight into the different options that are available for anyone who is struggling to cope with the symptoms of this condition. Always wear solid, supportive shoes if you have arthritis. An old pair of exercise shoes will cause your weight to be distributed unevenly. Additionally, they can hurt your legs and their joints. Good workout shoes are essential to your workout, because they protect your body from damage, so always replace them when they become worn. People with arthritis are dealing with both chronic pain and chronic fatigue. Set priorities for your day and stick to them. There will only be so much you can accomplish on a bad day. Figure out what's most important and focus on getting that done, instead of trying to fight the pain and fatigue and do everything anyway. It may seem difficult, but it is important to exercise if you have arthritis. If you do not exercise, the joints become fatigued, thus increasing arthritis symptoms. Do flexibility exercises to slow down this process as much as possible. Aromatherapy can help to reduce your arthritis pain, so it's worth giving the idea some thought. The relaxation brought by aromatherapy has been scientifically proven to be beneficial to any chronic condition. When you use aromatherapy to relax, the whole body relaxes, including arthritic joints. Today, there are a variety of treatments and options offered for all types of arthritis and all types of patients. If you or someone you know is affected by the disease, remember the advice from this video, as you seek ways to minimize the pain and the limitations that accompany a diagnosis of arthritis. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.